This is the new Mikolo M7 Smith Machine, an all-around base plate for your home, backyard, or garage gym. Y'all want to check it out? Let's go. First of all, don't snooze. They look alike, but this ain't the Mikolo M4 Smith Machine, and it ain't its upgrade. Now you'll find some upgraded features on the M7 over the M4, like the aluminum pulleys and black matte finish, but the M7 has some alternate features that we need to talk about. The first one is one that we absolutely loving over here in the Usawa fitness camp. It's this vertical leg press. Obviously, we expect to be able to squat with the standard Olympic barbell that's attached to the Smith machine, but this detachable leg press plate allows you to convert that barbell into a leg press in seconds. Now personally, I never seen that feature on a Smith machine before, so I was a little bit worried about safety when I first saw it, but Mikolo did a couple of extra things to keep you safe when you're on your back pushing up against that base plate. And what they did was add a couple of extra safeties and also some movable side rails that'll help you if you get exhausted down there on your back. You can just use your hands to get yourself safe again. And if you're curious about what that looks like, don't trip. I'm already in the process of editing a video to break it down for you guys. So, do all the necessary stuff to be able to check that out when I drop it. But for now, let's keep it moving. We found the ball bearings on the M7 to be buttery smooth so far during every exercise that we've thrown at this machine so far, and we've done a bunch of them. All right, wait a second. I should have done this earlier, but let me go ahead and break down the build quality of the M7 real quick. The M7 has 2x2-inch uprights made of 14-gauge steel, even up front where the pulley systems work. So this Smith machine is solid with a maximum rackable load capacity of 1,000 pounds and a 2,000 pound overall maximum load capacity. It's a little over 89 inches tall, 70 inches from side to side, and 56 inches from front to back. The M7 is rocking 1-inch holes with laser cut numbering so you can easily see where you're racking your attachment. They increase the frequency of the holes from every 2 inches to every 1 inch, so you have a lot more flexibility when it comes to adjusting the height of your pulleys or any attachment that you want to attach. The M7 comes with a couple of high-quality J-hooks and even higher quality spotter arms. They're almost 20 inches long and coated with a 1/4 inch of anti-collision material to help reduce wear and tear on your barbell. You also get 6 Olympic plate holders to store your Olympic plates, 6 storage hooks, and an Olympic bar holder back here in the back. The M7's dip bars come with some nice soft padding that's way more comfortable than any of the other dip bars that I've had in here. And as far as the pull-up bar goes, you get all the optional grips with some semi-aggressive knurls. All right, if you're still watching, thank you and congratulations, because I saved the most important parts of this video for the middle and the end of the video as a way to reward you for watching all my stuff. Thank you. Check this out. The dual pulley cable system on this M7 is amazing. I love it, and we do all kind of exercises with this thing. But unlike the Mikolo M4 Smith Machine, which has a 2-to-1 pulley system, the M7 sports a 1-to-1. Now I did an entire video explaining the difference, and I put the link up there for you guys to check it out, but here's a quick summary. When you're using a 2-to-1 pulley system, the weight at the end of the handle will feel like half of the weight that you load on the plate housing. So if you put 50 pounds on the plate housing, it's gonna feel like you're pulling 25. And you're also gonna be able to pull the cable 2 inches for every 1 inch the housing rises off the rack. With the 1-to-1 pulley system, that 50 pounds that you load on the plate housing is gonna feel like 50 pounds. And you're gonna be able to pull the cable 1 inch for every 1 inch the pulley rises off the rack. You see this in the commercial gyms all the time, but you may not realize it. This is a critical piece of information for you guys if you're thinking about buying one of these guys, because the 2-to-1 system makes it easier to do some exercises like lateral raises, because those muscle groups don't require a ton of weight. So if you're at the beginning of your fitness journey, the M4 may be a better option for you. I'll touch a little bit more on that when I do my upcoming M4 versus M7 comparison video. So, do all the stuff if you want to check it out when I drop it. All right, here's another well thought out change that Mikolo made to the M7. Mikolo pushed the foot plate out away from the machine so the pulley housing is behind the foot plate, adding a bunch of range to your low cable rows. This is the first time I've seen this done right on any power rack or Smith machine, and I love it. I used to have to put some yoga blocks under my feet to do low rows properly, but it's a wrap for that now that I got this system. Now my Mikolo M4 Smith Machine has been a straight up workhorse for me over the course of the last year, but I'm about to transition to this Mikolo M7 and I'm gonna be doing videos for it the same way I pumped them out for the M4 over the past year. So if you wanna check those out, make sure you subscribe and hit the alert button to check them out once I drop them. Now, if you wanna see more of what I've done on Mikolo in the past, click that link right there to check out a little playlist. Until next time, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay fit. Love and peace, everybody. Ow.